Hi, I am Jake. This story about my day in the bakery. My alarm rang at 4:30 a.m. and I jumped out of bed. The bakery opened at 6 o'clock, so I had to hurry. I arrived at the shop, turned on the lights and put on my apron. The first thing I did was check the dough I had prepared last night. It had risen beautifully, just as I had hoped. Carefully, I shaped it into loaves and set them aside. Then I preheated the ovens and placed the trays inside. As the bread baked, I measured flour, sugar, and butter for the pastries. Everything had to be exact. I rolled the dough, folded it into layers, and let it rest before cutting it into croissants. Soon the warm smell of fresh bread filled the bakery. I took the golden loaves out of the oven and placed them on cooling racks. Then I started mixing batter for muffins. The bakery was quiet, but I knew it wouldn't last long. At 7 a.m., the first customers arrived. "Good morning. Would you like a fresh baguette?" I asked with a smile. The shop quickly became busy with people picking up their favorite pastries. By noon, most of the bread was sold. I wiped my hands on my apron and took a short break. Baking is hard work, but seeing people enjoy my bread makes it all worth it.
Let's learn some useful words and phrases from the story to improve our English.
Dough means a soft, thick mixture of flour, water, and other ingredients used to make bread or pastries. Preheat means to heat an oven or appliance before using it. Cooling rack means a metal grid used to cool baked goods after they come out of the oven. Baguette is a long, thin French loaf of bread with a crispy crust. Pastry means a baked good made with flour, butter, and other ingredients, often sweet or flaky. Knead means to press, fold, and stretch dough to make it smooth and elastic. Apron is a protective cloth worn over clothes while cooking or baking. Steam rising means visible vapor that comes from hot food or liquid,